Is your Spectrum cable box constantly resetting? You're not alone. As of mid-2025, many users still experience this issue, often as a boot loop. A boot loop means the box restarts repeatedly without fully loading. The good news is Spectrum has rolled out software updates to reduce these occurrences, but persistent problems often stem from a few key areas. Start by power cycling. Unplug the box for 1 to 2 minutes, then reconnect. Check all connections, HDMI, coaxial, and power cables. Ensure they are secure. This section covers diagnosing whether it's a software glitch, connection issue, or hardware problem. If the issue persists, proceed to the next section for more advanced troubleshooting. If power cycling and connection checks don't work, try a software refresh via the Spectrum box's menu. This clears the cache and updates firmware. Also, ensure the box has adequate ventilation to prevent overheating. If problems continue, use the Spectrum app for real-time diagnostics or contact their 24/7 support. Looking ahead, AI-driven diagnostics are becoming more common, with Spectrum testing AI assistants to predict and prevent resets. The trend is also moving towards hybrid streaming cable models, reducing reliance on physical boxes. While fixes are often straightforward, user education is key. A large percentage of resets are preventable with proper maintenance. The future points to app-based services potentially phasing out traditional cable boxes, further minimizing hardware-related issues.